Yo, yo, yo. Welcome back to another show of the Supreme Pastor Canario K9. Got Queen out here. Let her enjoy herself a little bit. Before I gotta go handle some things. She found a little rope. I guess she's liking that one. She wanna mess with this. Yo, look. Ready. Go. What I say? She's not even gonna go get it. Good girl. There you go. Always catching the smell. She does not go for that ball the way she do at home at all. Ooh. She'll run after it, but as far as getting it and coming back, she's more interested in the sense than anything else. But I get it. She's doing her dog thing. But I am gonna work on that with her though. See if I can get her to retrieve the ball. Go get it. Good girl, where's it at? Go find it. Nova, go find it. Hey, go find it. She's not even listening. She got so much sense going through her nose right now. Invisible tracks everywhere. But yeah, I just want y'all to see Queen enjoying this nice day. Hope y'all are. Let's see if she do it again. Yo, hey, look. Go. Oh, somebody's bringing that little poodle. But I'm sure they're gonna go in the small area. Good girl. That girl get distracted. Right there after the ball, then zoom, gone. Queen. You said no. It's all good. It's all good. Dog is not even big as Queen's head. But let's go check him out. Here, come on. Look like a schnauzer. Look like a mini schnauzer or something. How's it going? I always want to see. What type of dog is that? I thought that's what it was. Yeah. I've never seen one before. That is awesome. Yeah, I do some recording when I vlog. I'll record her. So I figured it'd be some good footage seeing that little guy. That is awesome. A miniature schnauzer. Wow. That is rare. How old is he?
She's 5.
She? That is awesome. Where'd you get it from? She's pretty. Miniature schnauzer.
He's a big old boy.
That's your girl too. Yeah, they're smart dogs, good dogs. Yeah, you can't deny them when they have that that look right there, yeah. At all. What you got? Let me see. Good girl. Come here. Right here. Good girl. What you got? What you got, girl? What you got? Excuse the plane coming through. And that noise must be loud on the other end. What you got, girl? But yeah, make sure you work your dogs. Get them out, exercise them. Remember, as a dog owner, pet owner, we are responsible for their best lives. For sure. That girl gets stronger and stronger by the day. Girl, you just keep spinning me. Everybody watching already got a headache, getting dizzy. Look, that's what she do. Try to outdo me. Spin back around over here. I ain't spinning with you. Nope. Back this way. Cool God. Ooh, girl, you strong. Dang. Hey, house. House. Good house. House. Good house. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Hit him. Good girl. Whew. She almost got me. Dang. What you got? What you got? What you got? But all right, y'all. Just wanted y'all to see Queen for a minute. Gotta go. See, I already know. Fly at you later.